kod jopuonj mondo ne ni jopuonjre mabiro timo penj maduong' higa ni ondikore e sa mowinjore. Jakom maduol matayo weche David Nyeng'ere oyango ni chenro mar ndikruok e yor mbui biro dhi nyime chakre tarik 1 dwe mar 2 nyaka tarik 31 dwe mar 3 higa ni.
Registration of candidates is the first step in administering an exam. And we are going to start the process on the 1st of February to the 31st of March. So every center has 2 months in which to make sure all the candidates are registered. We want to appeal to all of you, kindly, make this easier for KNEC, because CS, unfortunately, sometimes we are told a week before the exam that there are some candidates in a certain corner of this country who are not registered. That makes it very difficult for KNEC. So we want to appeal to all of you that we are opening the portal on the 1st of February to the 31st of March. Kindly make sure that all eligible candidates